Hey, what's up guys, Abraham's Tech here, back in with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Smart Keyboard. So let's get started. Like every single Apple product, this product also has a really good unboxing experience. The keyboard itself is really well built, other than the part that the typing on here is not the Magic Keyboard level, because this is the same keyboard from last year and it does have less travel than the Magic Keyboard.